Dear student, good morning. How are you all? Are you fine? I hopefully you all are fine at home. Dear student, stay safe and take care of yourself. Dear student, I am from ASF Public School and College Karachi. Dear student, assignment week 11. This one week we call revision week. Class prep week Monday till Thursday. Subject English revision. Teacher Miss Durdana Alam from preschool Karachi. Dear student, Monday topic is revise the words orally, no written word. As you know, which sound is this? Shashar, shine. Okay? Shop, shoes, sheep, shirt, short, shawl. Is it clear? Short, shell, she, share, shed, shark. Okay, so this one we call this one sound. So today we are learning, we are revising the topic words. Okay, words. And come on, the next work is Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday topic is revise the vowels A-E-I-O-U orally, no written work. Okay, and also there is no written work. And Tuesday also topic revise the vowels. Okay, orally, there is no written work. So dear student, read with me vowels A, E, R, O, U. Is it clear? Okay, which sound of A? A. E. E sound is A. I sound is E. O sound is A. U sound is A. So read the vocabulary with the vowel sound. Okay? A apple, a egg, a ink pot, a orange, a umbrella. So dear student, listen to me. 5 vowels are there, and vowel sound we have learned in previous lessons. Okay, beginning sound, if there is a beginning sound of vowels, so we will call the vowel sound vocabulary. Okay, so this one related the object vocabulary. Okay, and as it is another words we can count is with vowels. Okay, so come on, next day is Wednesday. Wednesday topic revise the consonants orally, no written word. Okay, is it clear my friend? So come on the consonants. Okay, so consonants are there. Read with me. Read the small letters. Okay, there is no sound. Okay, we are not learning the sounds only. Okay, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so dear student, listen to me. I have told you in previous lesson, in English we have 26 letters. Okay, 5 letters we call the vowels and 21 letters we call the consonants. Okay, so dear student, consonants letter, this one consonants letter and that one vowel sound. Okay, so we have to learn the what is the consonants letters, okay, and what is the vowel sound. Okay, so then we will identify the easily. Okay, so learn it orally, there is no written work, only revise the topic. Okay, so come on the next day is Thursday topic, revise the articles. How many articles are there? 2 articles we are learning. Okay, we have learned also in previous lesson. Okay, so a or an, where we have to use a, where we have to use an. So orally we have to revise this one topic. No written work. Listen to me again and again, I am telling to you, there is no any written work, just orally you have to revise and keep in the mind. Okay, so come on the articles. Which sound is a, n. Okay, a, n. Repeat with me. Which sound is this? A, n. Okay, so there is a, I am 2 vocabulary given there just for identification. Okay, so there is a ball, there is a cat, the ball, cat. So this one beginning sound is consonant. Okay, so we have to use the beginning of the consonant sound. A ball, a cat. Suppose I am further example I am giving, a dog, a kite. Is it clear? But I am not writing over there, I am telling to you orally. Okay, now come on the n. Okay, n. An orange, an orange, because O is the beginning sound is the vowels, that's why we are using an orange. E is the vowel sound, so that's why we are using an elephant. Is it clear? If there is a beginning sound of vowel, so we will use the article n. If there is a consonant sound, so we will use a. Okay, is it clear my point? So dear student, keep in the mind where we have to use a, where we have to use n. Okay, so come on the this one topic, we are learning articles. Okay, and articles we have learned, and consonants, vowels. Okay, so dear student, we will come on the next week with new lesson. Okay, so okay, take care yourself. Thank you.